Hello. Welcome to HaJun Kids TV channel. Today let's visit a farm together. Let's go. What animals do you see when you visit a farm? I see a goat. I see a sheep. I see a cow. I see a horse. I see a donkey. I see a buffalo. I see a llama. I see a pig. I see a chicken. I see a rooster. I see a turkey. I see a duck. I see a rabbit. I see a bison. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe me for more video.